Good morning, traders. David Day here with SpikeTradePro.com. I just wanted to show you the video from the webinar we did this morning and let you see the trade that we put on. Some of you guys I know were working and couldn't make the webinar, so I thought I would just post the trade. What you're looking at, if you're new to SpikeTradePro.com, is you're looking at the platform that we use to trade every time. We don't use charts. For those of you guys that have been trading a long time, that's kind of foreign to you, I know. But you know, if you're watching this video, this is a good opportunity for you to get some new concepts on trading the spikes. And if you're a veteran trader, you especially know what these spikes do to the markets, and you were probably taught to stay out of the markets around the new spikes. And so, you know, if you're viewing this video, I hope it helps you along your way if you're interested in learning about trading new spikes. And as always, you can go to the SpikeTradePro.com website and get some more details there. So this is a recorded video, so I'm going to just hit play here, and you can see the platform. It'll start to move. And to the left here is the euro, and to the right is the E-mini S&P 500. Down here, the 2 zeros is your profit and loss. The platform calculates it as you're into the trade. It'll calculate it for you. The left zero, that's the pending profit and loss. So, you know, once you enter the trade and you know, you're inside you've made your buy or sell order, this will be a fluctuating number. It'll be calculating it based on the current market price and your entry price, and so that'll be changing all the time. And then once you actually exit the trade, it'll move it over to this box over here, and that'll be a green number if it's a profit, if you made a profit on the trade, or a red number if you made a loss on the trade. And so you know, it's a pretty cool feature of the platform. And then you got your standard quantities and all that, and in this box here is our SpikeTradePro.com settings. Those are proprietary to the system. So alright, we got the trade coming up, and we're about to place our order on the E-mini S&P 500. What I'm going to do is grab my magnifier, and you can watch the profit and loss. Now watch the numbers here. Alright, the system took care of our exit, and you know, boom, we're out of the trade already, and we're done. And I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. And you know, we took a small loss on the euro, and we took a big profit on the E-mini S&P 500, $27,075. You know, that's trading 101. That's part of the system, is that your losses are small and your profits are big. If you're out there trying to build a system, you know, wanting to do a system of your own, you know, you've learned a lot of stuff and you think you're ready to build a system, then you know, that's trading 101. You want profit. You want your profits to be more than your losses. You know, and that's just a standard procedure for any kind of business. You know, you're going to have losses every now and then, and the key to being successful is having less losses, and then you have profits. You know, if you got a high enough profit to loss ratio, and then you can lose more times. And if you've got a high profit and loss ratio and a high win to loss ratio, then everything's good. You don't have any problems with your trading. And so let me pull up something here. Let me get rid of this magnifier real fast. Okay. Alright, profit to loss. $27,075 is the profit we took for this trade. Loss $37.50. Let me pull my calculator up. $27,075, $37.50. Took a profit of just going to do overall profit 23,325. And so that's, that's our overall profit. Now we were talking about profit to loss ratio. And the way we calculate profit to loss is the amount of our profit divided by the amount of our loss. So 27,075 divided by 37.50. We're looking at a 7.22 profit to loss ratio on that trade. So when you get into numbers like that, we always shoot here at SpikeTradePro.com. We always have a minimum of 2 to 1 profit to loss. So you got a 7.22 to 1 profit to loss on this trade, which was an excellent trade. When you're building a system, those are the kind of numbers you're looking for, to trade the system full time. And so if you're a veteran trader out there and you've got a system that you've tested and you've got high profit to loss ratios already in your everyday intraday trading, then if you've been sitting out in the spikes, this is a good opportunity to gain some more knowledge on trading. And if you're new to trading, these things right here, profit to loss, and you want to operate your business exactly like that, a business. So this is accounting, basically profit 27,075, losses, and then you have your bottom line 23,325, and that's the way you want to operate your business. You want to keep records of all of your trades so that in the end what you're looking at, what the bottom line is, and if it's a profitable system, then it's just gonna skyrocket your confidence in the system, and it'll skyrocket your trading. And so that's just some trading 101, some money management skills, and some record keeping skills in your trading. So I hope this helps, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video because I'm sure it's getting pretty good file size. And that's it for now. See you guys in the next video.